Hey there, nail friends. Welcome back to the Mani Maniac. Today I have my very first order from the Nail Throne. So I haven't really used a ton of colored acrylic. I generally do acrylic and then put gel polish or nail art on that way. But I finally jumped on the Glitterbels bandwagon, and I have heard so many good things about their products that I just decided to go for it. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up, and I'm going to swatch them and show you. So this is just the Glitterbels glass slippers. So everybody raves about this clear acrylic, and I'm excited to use it. I generally use a speed clear powder from Young Nails, and so I'm interested to kind of see the difference, but everyone that I've seen use it in tutorials on YouTube, it looks great. So I'm going to try it out. So first of all, if you haven't ever bought Glitterbels, these bottles are awesome. Like, look at how pretty that top is. Except you can see my face, but. So I got 6 different colors of the Glitterbels. And then I went ahead and got the no wipe top coat so that I can try it out. If I can get it open. It's all taped together. I'm a huge fan of no wipe top coats, obviously because they're so easy. But, you know, I use them for most things, but sometimes you need others. So I just thought I would start out with this. You know, Glitterbels has these square containers, really cute packaging. And there's a no wipe top coat. So we will try that later. All right, so I went ahead and did a little swatch bit on the bottom because I think I'll probably have all these in a drawer and face down like this, as much as I love the tops of these because they're so pretty. But that way I didn't want to put it on the top because I didn't want to ruin it. I don't know, maybe I will later. But anyway, then I can see the name of the color and what the color looks like. I just tapped a little bit with some monomer on there, so... But I'm going to go ahead and go through these. All right, so this is Purple Passion, and it is really beautiful. It has like ice glitter in it, so like a little thistle kind of straight glitters. It also has these chunky diamonds. They're just really, really beautiful, and lots of glitter in there and a beautiful purple color. It's got like gold. So pretty. Okay, next up is Masquerade, which is probably, I want to go ahead and say it's my favorite color of these 6 that I ordered in my first order here. It is black with all these gorgeous glitters in here, and I just cannot wait to use this or something. It is so pretty. I love it. Yeah, it's just gorgeous. So that was Masquerade. All right, next up is Shannon, which is a beautiful pink glitter with some holographic glitters inside it as well. It is completely gorgeous. It's gonna look so good. Oh, I love it. So pretty. I have a couple of loose glitters that are this same kind of pink with the holographic in it, so I'm really excited to have this in a pre-mixed glitter. And then this one I ordered is called Copper Dazzle, and this was the most surprising one to me, how much I loved it. It is just really pretty, and it is a coppery color, but it's almost like a really pink kind of coppery, but it's really pretty as well. So then the last 2 here are just solid acrylic colors. So this one is Gray Smoke. And it is just a really nice, it's like just a perfect like medium gray. It's not too dark. It'll go with a lot of stuff. I'm especially excited to use this in marbling. It's gonna look really awesome. All right, and this one is called Cherry Blossom. And it is a really, really pretty, deep kind of pink. And it's almost, if you did it super thin, it would almost kind of be not completely see-through, but it does kind of, you can see here underneath, you can see the black through it. So it's not going to be completely opaque, but so lots of fun. I actually placed another order from the Nail Throne last night because these had just come in the mail and I was like already in love with them. So I went ahead and bought some more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little swatch video and unboxing video. If there's anything you want to see with these colors in particular, please let me know down in the comments. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That really helps me out. I appreciate it. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you next time on the Mani Maniac.